What's up, Bronco fans? Ford is back with a bold, beach-ready upgrade, the 2025 Ford Bronco 4-door Performance Coastal Package. If you're into retro style with serious off-road punch, this might just be your dream SUV. Let's take a closer look. Straight from the 80s, this coastal package brings back vintage surf vibes with modern performance. Silver grille, fender flares, and custom 17-inch wheels give it a look that stands out from the pack. You get a 2-inch suspension lift for serious off-road capability. But it's not all brawn. The see-through bimini top with the silver Bronco logo adds a stylish twist, perfect for coastal cruising. And check out those full-length retro decals, total throwback. This dealer-installed package is available for 4-door Broncos in base, Big Bend, or Outer Banks trims, no matter the engine. The kit costs $5,400, and if installed by a certified technician, it comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. Want to hit the dunes in style? The Coastal Package is your passport to a summer of adventure. Let me know in the comments. Would you add this to your Bronco build? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more auto updates every week. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments what you think about the beachy new Ford Bronco. Stay tuned for our next review. See you on the road!